Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Mom Realizes Police Discovered Her Disgusting Secret. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
I'm a good person. I'm not doing anything.
I'm not saying you are. That's not my job, okay? My job is, detective says that you're under arrest. I need to go find you, okay?
On December 26, 2022, officers were dispatched regarding a high school teacher planning to get her 15-year-old daughter involved in a sexual activity with her boyfriend on Christmas night. Police were alerted by the elder daughter when she received screenshots of the plan from her younger adoptive sister, which the latter saw in their mother's WhatsApp chat.
Does she need to be here? I beg your pardon? Does she need to be here?
Well, you say there's no adults in the home with you, right? Okay, so let me ask you this. Prior to seeing you, knowing that you're still under the age of 18,
Yeah.
if the person really...
She's not gonna be home till like late at night. So
Okay, let me try and call your mom, okay? Maybe...
I can just text her. That's what I was gonna do.
That's, okay, only a second, yeah, the reception is not good. My boss is asking if it will be okay for us to interview the child without one's consent. Okay, yes, we can do, officer say that's fine, we can do it without one's consent.
Purposes, absolutely.
Yeah, my name is Bob, you
Oh, yeah,
definitely
yeah,
not have been, thank you so much for
Yeah.
correcting me. My name is Barbara, I work with Florida Department of Children and Families, and Officer Vasquez is here anytime we visit our home. My job is to speak with the children and the family. Is not home, so with officers present, so long as we don't enter the home, we can ask you questions.
She has a boyfriend, and I was going to go spend the night over there. She wanted me to,
Over there where?
to his house. Like,
Do you normally go spend the night at his house?
no, that was. I saw text messages between her and him. And
So you've seen his messages?
their messages.
You've seen their messages?
To like do stuff, cause she's not good with like technology and stuff.
Okay.
And like, I guess sometimes when I just have it, like I like her curious because she tells me a lot of times that like he said this and that about me. And so, and I've seen like I looked over her shoulder sometimes and seen like him say weird things too.
The victim told the officers that her mother's boyfriend began talking to her about a website he was building, but she saw his messages to her mom where he wanted to buy the teenager new panties and have sex with her to make her a woman.
How do you know that they're specifically talking about you and not talking about another?
Well, it's because they use my name.
So what did you say? Give me like a sentence about the vaginal private part and your name was mentioned. What did that message state?
The sensitive information has been censored by the police department.
Has this boyfriend ever always been in the picture, or how recent?
Like 3 years, I think, or somewhere.
So they've been together for about 3 years, approximately 3 years.
Yeah, that's what she told me. She told me they've been together for like 3 years now.
Has he ever come to the apartment?
Not here, but he has come to our apartment that we used to live in. How would I say, like sexually suggestive, or like sexual innuendos, I guess. I have like double meanings.
Be more specific.
I said like a lot of weird things, and like I say like just a lot of weird questions.
Like what?
Like
Give
if
us a
I've ever
question.
had an
Give us a question.
orgasm, or like
Doesn't make sense?
yeah, or like he was trying to buy like me underwear and stuff. So he's asking my mother for like my sizes. And then
The boyfriend told the mother that her daughter needed to be naked for him to train her, and that she might be surprised if she crawled into his bed while he was naked. He also wanted her to perform oral sex on him as part of the training.
So have you ever been to his house before?
no,
Not to sleep during the day?
no.
Okay.
I don't know. Susan.
This is insane. Like I'm not even pausing it that much because I'm really locked in just like you. I'm locked in right now. Like this is some people, just because you can have kids doesn't mean that you should have kids. And these people should not be parents. You know what I'm saying? Like this mom here, she is fried and she should have her kids taken away from her for sure.
Because before she was doing substituting, but she just like became a teacher and like getting the teacher like salary now.
Any
So-
history of substance misuse, drugs, or alcohol in your home?
Yeah, alcohol. No.
No.
I mean, she's asked me to take like sexual pictures of her and stuff, but she's never like.
What do you mean by
tried.
that?
Well, like sometimes she asks me to take like pictures of her, like, and she'll be in like lingerie or something.
Mom is a model?
No,
Okay, so when she asked you to take pictures, she just dressed and asked you to take pictures?
Yeah.
You make websites?
Well, I was trying, yeah, but I haven't made it yet because
Or is it a gift of yours where you,
just told me to do it.
can you do it?
Yeah.
Very smart of you. Okay, all right.
Based on the information provided by the victim, the police decided to place her mother under arrest.
We'll take care of your car. Let me get you in handcuffs first and we'll work on that. I got other people coming, okay? Yes, ma'am. I'll take care of all that for you. Let me get you situated first. We're going to slow down a little bit, okay? Where's your daughter at
Imagine
right now?
taking pictures of your mom in lingerie.
just so they
That's
did take
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. Just lean up against your car. I'm gonna wait for another partner to get here. Okay, we'll take care of getting your car parked, so we don't need to tow your car, okay?
I'm a good person. I'm not doing
I'm
anything.
not saying you are. That's not my job, okay? My job is, detective says that you're under arrest. I need to go find you, okay?
Okay. I was gonna surrender either way.
Let's see what, all right,
I have an
we don't
attorney.
need to do that. That's fine. Just lean up against your car.
Will I lose everything?
No, I don't know. Just turn around.
Okay.
Just lean up against your car.
I have my concealed gun in here.
It's in your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want us to secure that in your house for you?
As long as my dog is there.
Okay.
You know,
Charlie 601
okay.
Yep.
I'll comply.
42 hours.
I'm not here to hurt.
483, what's wrong? We're gonna start slowing things down a little bit. We'll get your car situated, and then we'll go from there. All I'm concerned with is locating you and taking you to jail, okay?
My safety.
Yes. Everything's safe, so we're good. Where is your firearm in your car?
It's in the bottom of the seat.
Underneath your seat? Okay. Do you want us, I'm sorry, did you want us to put it in your house for you?
You could leave it there. I think it'll be
You're not
okay.
concerned with cars getting broken into? They,
No.
they like to steal guns, so
No.
that's not a good
Can you
idea.
put it in there?
That's
and then
fine.
what about my dog?
Do you have a family member locally? No?
Can't leave him in there because then it'll be animal abuse.
Yeah, we'll work on that next.
The only other thing I have is my purse in there as well.
We'll put everything in the house.
Okay, I
So
don't
your
need
purse,
driver's
your
license or
gun.
anything. Don't
No.
need money.
No,
Don't need,
don't need any of that stuff.
you guys are
If you want to hang out with her, she's got a 0 in the car. I'm gonna secure that, put it in her purse, and then we're gonna eventually put the purse in our apartment with her. And we'll park her car. Yep.
and then the keys you'll.
Yep.
The
Yeah.
phone.
Well,
keys.
do you want to bring your phone with you? So at some point you're gonna get
Yeah,
out. They're gonna have to give you your phone back.
I know. I also have my attorney's number.
Okay.
It's Bruce.
Okay. We're not doing any investigating. We're not gonna question you, so we don't need an attorney. Because it is what it is, so you're just going to go to jail. We're not questioning you about the crime or anything like that, so you don't need an attorney.
The mother told the officers that she was only trying to bluff her boyfriend and lure him into confessing that he was interested in younger girls. However, the victim stated that her mother had already asked her to go to the man's house on Christmas night.
A black BMW occupied by one white male. Caused by the use playing his music very loud. Oh, there was like 2 lit lines.
That's the thing. A lot of times when you do see attacks on kids and stuff like that, like a lot of the times it's by if a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or if the mom or the dad gets with someone else, maybe a boyfriend or a stepdad or a stepmom or something like that. Those are actually the ones that actually end up abusing the kids, and the parents allow it. You see that a lot. It's definitely messed up. You know what I'm saying? That's why, man, you gotta try and keep the nucleus together. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody gonna love your kids like the mother and father. But when you getting other people involved and stuff, they don't care about your kids. You know what I'm saying? Because I bet you that the father of the child, yeah, he wouldn't want the guy to go to jail. He would want to do something else to him, for real.
You have you can't carry your weapon like that, right? You cannot carry a firearm like that. It has to be in a closed case.
No, I have a weapons permit.
You do have a permit?
Yeah.
Okay, even better then. And you're all set.
Yeah, I'm safe.
Okay. Anything else that needs to go in there?
No, I need my attorney's card.
It's in here?
Get in there. You see that the little card there?
This here?
Right. Yeah, that's the one.
All right. So we already established your phone's going to go with you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Nope. Purse is gonna go in the house. No. All I talked to Mooney this morning, and all he said is just 15er.
They don't need the phone? Okay.
So.
Will they feed me?
Yeah, they'll feed you. They're not gonna let you starve in there.
Yeah.
So.
The police conducted an undercover call between the teenager and the man, during which she mentioned that she was 15 years old. The man responded that she looked 23 to him, like a grown woman.
Yeah, well, it's with your car right now. That lady's moving your car.
Okay. I'm on the board of directors.
You are?
I'm the treasurer. My
Okay.
name's Mike.
As long as she gives you permission, then I'm okay with it, because it's her apartment. I can't do it. So if she's saying you have access to her apartment to take care of her dog, then...
Well, I don't want her dog to...
Yeah.
The other alternative is that we call animal control, and animal control takes the dog until she's
Well,
released.
I live right in this building over here.
Okay.
I can take care of the...
That's up to you. That's between you two,
I can take the dog out morning, evening. What's their feeding schedule? What's your dog's feeding schedule?
Morning.
Morning? You don't feed him in the evening or anything else like that?
Yeah, he pisses everywhere though. Can you just, I don't even know. You might have to put him in a pound or something.
I'm not going to put your dog in the pound.
I
Do you have somebody?
would imagine she'll be out later today or tomorrow morning.
Yeah, she's already got an attorney, so it's
Okay, so today or
It's just a
tomorrow
process.
morning,
it's just
you're
a,
gonna be...
it's
Probably
like it's just process at this point.
Or
So.
tomorrow morning. Just has to get booked and
Okay,
processed and everything. It's not, I don't think it's going to be a long drawn out thing.
I'm gonna before we do that, before I give you the key, I'm gonna secure her purse inside her house because there's a firearm in there.
Okay.
So
That's fine.
Which key is your house?
This one here.
This one here?
No, the yellow one.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just for the top lock. not
I'm
the
gonna
bottom.
put your purse just right in the front door. I'm not going in your house to search or anything like
Okay.
that. Okay.
Just make
Okay.
sure that you don't block the bottom, just the top lock.
Okay.
Just the top
Okay.
lock.
Just the top.
Okay,
Yep.
so morning, what time do I
Brian,
need
you
to be
good?
over there?
Yeah, we can do that.
Police, we don't want
Just put it up.
Firearm.
Just put it up in the
And the shades. I need the reading glasses. That's the only concern.
reading glasses.
Where are your reading glasses?
They're in my purse.
Oh, the reading glasses are in your
Second
purse.
seat. Visually.
Do one of you three want to go up there with me?
I'll go back up there and grab the purse
Okay.
and bring the stuff up there.
No,
No, it's all right.
Well, she wants to drop off her jewelry and her sunglasses, and she
Grab the
needs her
reading
reading glasses.
Yeah. Too easy.
Come on, they doing too much, man. She knew that she needed her reading glasses. Now that he brings it upstairs, now she need her reading glasses. She want to drop off her other glasses and all stuff. Come on, man. We ain't got time for all that, man.
No. I mean, I'm gonna wear can I wear a brazier?
Decal 2019 light GMC.
My hair is pretty. I don't want to mess it up.
The mother had also made arrangements for the man to pick her daughter up, take her to his house to engage in sexual activities, and then return her home.
Yep. Okay, so he's going to escort me up there.
Fix my hair. And I'll put you in my car.
Thanks again.
Okay, certainly.
Yeah, thank you for your help.
Sure.
The last thing I want to do is call animal control on a dog.
No, I can't even imagine losing my dog. So.
The woman was charged with soliciting a child for unlawful sexual conduct using a computer, unlawful use of a two-way communications device, and sharing unconsented information. Additionally, the judge set her bond at $28,000 and barred her and her boyfriend from making any contact with the victim or using any device capable of texting. YouTube thinks you'll
watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.